everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie and I'm a makeup artist based in Lagos, Nigeria. Today I'm going to be doing a brow tutorial, so those of you who don't know how to do your brows properly, tune in and hopefully you'll get better at getting your brows done. My model today has really bushy brows, so I'm going to start by brushing out her brows with a spoolie. Then I'm going to shapen them. So I shapen the brows off camera and you see it's more tamed and it's ready to go. I'm starting off by using a pencil from Eyebrow. It's a Eyebrow dark brown pencil. I'm using that to outline the bottom part of her brows. I'm just following the shape that I trimmed her brows to. Then I'm going to take the same pencil and outline the top of her brows. Now that I'm done outlining the brows, I'm going to fill them in. I'm doing light upward strokes at the beginning, and then when I get to the middle and towards the end, I'll make the strokes a bit thicker. Now that I'm done filling in the brows, I'm going to take a spoolie and brush the brows in an upward and curved manner. I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige to highlight the arc of the model's brows. Sorry, the camera is a bit out of focus, but I hope you get the general idea. Now that I'm done with the arc, I'm going to be using the shade of the model's foundation for the corners of her brows. Now the reason behind this is because I want the arc to look more defined. Next, I'm going to clean the top of the model's brows using a foundation color. Next, I'm using the MAC Brow Mascara in the shade Girl Boy to make the brows stay put and also give them a more natural look. Brushing it out with a spoolie just so I don't have excess product on the brows. And voila! We have our finished brow look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to comment in the comment section and also to like this video. Till next time, see you guys!